Hello everyone, welcome to Solder Motors. Jay with you here. Today we've got a beautiful fifth wheel to show you. This is a 2011 Roamer by Open Range, and it's got a couple of unique features. Mainly it's got a deck on it, so I'm excited to show you guys that. But first let's take a look around the outside and then we will get it opened up and show you everything inside. So let's start at the door here. This is a 345 RLS, so rear living. It's got slides. We've got automatic levels on this, and it's got the 4-season protection package, so 4-season camping. Right away, I would like to show you, got new tires on this. Nice wheels. Got nice pass-through storage right here on the front. There's our slide on this side, which also has a deck and an awning, and then we've got an awning here. Come to the front, we got more storage up here. Got your hitch, open range. Got a bedroom slide up front here. We've got another slide back here with the kitchen and living space. More storage, which we'll get to. Automatic leveling system. Just drop these guys and then I'll show you where the switches are. Got your roof access and a nice big window in the back. That's outside. Let's open it up and show you the inside. Alright, we've got the open range all opened up. You can see we got a nice deck sitting over here to this side. I'm going to take you quickly around the outside. Show you we've got a little bit of pass-through storage here. Right here is the central vac system. Got the hoses here. This has 4, 2 on this side. Tanks, there's the other one on this side. And they're the small 20 tanks, so that if you ever get in a pinch, you can just exchange them. It's a really nice, convenient feature. Like I said, we got the hitch up front here. Got more storage up underneath there. This side has the other 2 tanks. Show you the slide is out with the bedroom, and our kitchen slide is out. The other side of our pass-through storage. We've got our hookups here. Electrical hookup. There we go. Take a look inside. Alright, we got it all opened up. Let's check out the inside. So you come into the kitchen. Got a nice island here, but we'll start in the back living area. So 2 nice recliners, very comfortable, in good shape there. Got some overhead cabinet. cabinets, and then we have the couch that'll fold out into the bed. Coming over to this side, you got your dining. Got one chair that folds over to a stepping stool for cleaning or for reaching up higher places. There's your entertainment center, some more storage there in the corner. And then this takes us out to our deck. So you got a nice sliding door. Lets a lot of light in. You do have an awning for your porch, which is under here. So you got awning. Got some nice rails. Come together nicely. Place to mount a TV. Got your cable hookups there and an outlet. So all set to go. And in the kitchen we have this rolling island so that can move. Got our 3-burner stove and oven combination. Got a microwave. Got your fridge freezer combination. Freezer. Refrigerator. And a little more storage down there. Storage above. Some nice high cabinets, so really deep high storage there. A lot of drawers, and under the sink storage we have real coriander countertops here. Stainless steel double sink, retractable faucet, wine rack, and then right inside the door here is your control panel. Above the control panel is a little coat closet. That control panel, you get all of your awnings, your slides, your lights. You've got the tanks right there. Control your fan. Also your speakers right there. So, got central Vac System, so you can plug in right there. Hallway going back to the bedroom. We're going to detour into the bathroom here. Very spacious bathroom. Walk through to the master, but we have a nice big corner shower. Got the skylight. Toilet on the left here. Then you've got extra storage space here. Extra countertop space with a vanity mirror. And it's almost a little bit bigger than a medicine cabinet. It's nice and deep there, a lot of storage there. And then you've got more storage underneath. Then on this side, you get your sink. Nice compact there, more storage underneath. And there's the medicine cabinet up top. Then we come into the bedroom, nice pillowtop mattress, queen. Step back here. Reading lights up top. This big wardrobe, TV, and then a huge closet in the back end here. A lot of space for storage there. So that about does it for our 2011 Open Range Roamer. If you guys have any questions about it, please give us a call, Souter Motors. Thank you very much for watching. You guys have a great day.